Forgot iPhone passcode. Enter too many times wrong passcode so that iPhone was disabled. And today's video is going to show you how to unlock disabled iPhone without passcode. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then launch PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can get this software from official website or the link below in the description. Click Start to unlock iOS screen. Then follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode so that it could be detected by the software. If it is an iPhone X, quickly press volume up and volume down button and then hold power button until it shows connect to iTunes. Now, download the matching firmware. Click Start Remove to unlock your iPhone. After restarts, you can unlock and set up your iPhone.